FV5 series high-performance servo products, targeting the precision manufacturing field, offer high dynamic response and precise positioning for advanced motion control solutions. The FV5 series includes a variety of products such as rotary servo, direct drive servo, and general servo to satisfy a wide range of customer needs. The power range extends from 100 watts to 7,500 watts. FV5 series servo offers robust performance with high response, high accuracy, and high speed. They support a multitude of advanced algorithmic features including model tracking, friction compensation, vibration suppression, and adaptive filtering, thereby better adapting to a wide range of industry application scenarios. The newly designed backend software features a graphical user interface for multiple functions, offering a more user-friendly interaction, richer display, and allowing for multi-machine parallel operation, making it easier to get started with debugging. Direct drive servo products support linear motors, DD motors, voice coil motors, and more. FV5 series servo drivers are applicable to a wide range of industry application scenarios. Drive the motion. Direct the future.